Honestly, I just wish that I would have done this earlier on in my career because I could have helped out a lot more patients. And I look back at a lot of cases that I did, 10, 15 years ago, and I would do them completely different. But you don't know what you don't know, and doing this course allows you to learn the things that you don't know.
FMR is more like a personalized experience. Everyone over there is invested in your success. They really care, they're there to support me. Nothing is a wrong question, so that is vastly different. It's going to be teaching about veneers, implants.
It's multiple days of lecture and hands-on training. You have the ability to see how bigger cases of veneers and cosmetic dentistry is executed the right way and predictable way.
But it also teaches you what to do when things don't go the way that you expect them to go.
Things I thought were impossible or not confident in doing, I know I can do them now.
That's the main thing about FMR, is just stop being nervous about taking on to bigger cases. And it's just kind of pushing your limits and learning how to do something in a comprehensive way that is predictable, so that it can work in my hands, it can work in another person's hands as well.
Everybody here is very, very welcoming, and you feel like you're part of the family almost immediately. Dr. Dean's fantastic, the staff is fantastic, and everybody is very easy to talk to and very knowledgeable.
Dr. Dean's teaching style. The first word that comes to my mind is motivational.
Dr. Dean's very enthusiastic about his work, about teaching other dentists procedures that he's been doing for years and years.
The lectures are amazing. They're always at a really nice place, really nice restaurants. And afterwards we get to hang out, go to different places, get to see the city of New York. Overall, it's one of the nicest courses that I've taken as far as incorporating both lecture and social.
The sense of community at FMR, as opposed to other cosmetic educations, it's a little bit different in the sense that you feel like there's extended family. After you finish your seminar, there is a continual connection with the staff and the lecturers and even your peers and your colleagues that took the course. There's a platform that you could exchange ideas, you could exchange your cases, you could really talk about it.
It takes it outside of just here.
I heard about the FMR course through one of my colleagues. He has taken the course and he has taken a lot of courses, and he said you will learn a thing or two because it's very personalized.
I heard about the FMR program through my best friend, and she was doing the program, so she called me up and she's like, you have to call in and get this last seat, because usually this program is sold out for months.
This is not based out of a textbook of somebody saying like, well, in a clinical setting. This is in real world, real life dentistry. These are some of the greatest dentists around.
It surprised me at how simplistic they make the process. It's not as complicated as people make it out to be. And Dr. Dean's figured out a formula and a process to allow general dentists, prosthodontists, anybody to do it predictably and easy.
What do you think about FMR?